Hi, good morning. My name is Brandon. I'm from Kane Constructions and welcome to the new Shepparton Art Museum. Today's a rather big milestone for us on this beautiful winter's day. We're about to start the pour of the concrete slab for the building core. Materials in there, a little bit of stats. The materials in there consist of 22 tonne of reinforcing steel, as you can see. We have about 80 cubic metres of concrete going in today, again, sustainable building materials. We'll have about 14 ag trucks running through today. There's about approximately 28 workers on site at the moment, 12 of which are concreters, so it's a large portion of site, and hoping for a successful outcome.